Nakabakadaw ba Vincent H. Pala kumu MP Lok Sabah kisnam baladap ba umla banlay a nomor usyong siya kalyang persya uba Sanbor Sulayu MLA ka South Shillong constituency bar unay lam ka BJP ulaang. Baladaw kertong ka Voice of the People's Party u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon u job hakanik election hi kan long ka Jingduh ka ba Khraw yikipad ba. Ulaang pat baka syong hagipad ba bar usyu kumi Lada jia baka VPP kan job kan le bun Kiei kum ka jingwan ra ka roy kapar ki lat yo kam yo jam bat ki mat yakran ki bala banyadai ka jat benriu.
You see what I have seen Bapala like that to BPP, if they win also it is a great loss for the people of the state. What they will do. So let's see, the people they give a chance to if they give a chance to the BPP, it's the people to judge 5 years what they will do. I personally I hope that BPP they will do lots of things to bring development, to to take up issues concerning the interests of the people of the state. In terms of development, in terms of creation of job opportunities, on all these things. So maybe the mindset of the people to give chance to the opposition party with that mindset that they can do something. So it's up to, let us watch and see 5 years what they are doing. And I hope anybody who won the election, they should, anybody, be it from any party, he or she will be the MP of the entire state and the entire constituency. And for the Meghalaya, for both MP, they will do well and they will put more concentration to see how to take up the issue concerning the interests of the people of our state.